Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 30i and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find theme and lock screen. Now let's tap on My Wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. At the top we've got also other albums like our gallery, so of course we will have our own photos. We will be able to set them as a wallpaper or live wallpapers, which are not really pre-installed, you will have to download them. So, all you have to do in order to check the preview is to simply tap on the wallpaper. As you can see, it will appear on the full screen, so you can decide whether you like it or not. You can swipe also to check other options, and after deciding, simply tap on apply right here. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so the home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. We've got this information, so we can go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.